Before telling you this, I have to say that I went through forums, dealership experiences, and workshop opinions to bring you what's really happening with the GMC Sierra from 2007 to 2013. The idea is for you to know the most common problems without worrying, because many can be prevented or solved with timely maintenance. One of the most reported issues by owners involves the engine and oil consumption, especially in high-mileage models. Some say things like, "I have to top off the oil every so often," or "there's a strange knocking sound when starting cold." This is usually due to worn piston rings or valve guides, and while it's not a sudden failure, it does indicate that oil levels and pressure need to be monitored regularly. A technician told me, "That cold noise isn't always serious, but don't ignore it. The engine is trying to tell you something." When the engine starts showing signs of wear, it's not uncommon for the automatic transmission to show warning signs too. Owners report experiences like the truck jerks when shifting, or sometimes the shift is harsh for no reason. This is often related to worn solenoids, irregular fluid pressure, or internal clutch discs. Mechanics usually recommend checking the fluid first and then making adjustments or updating the transmission control module if necessary. As one expert said, most of the time it's not broken, it just needs a fine adjustment. Alongside power and transmission, complaints about steering and front-end noises also appear, especially when turning on bumpy streets or parking. Owners say things like, "The steering wheel squeaks" or feels stiff. This is generally caused by worn bushings, ball joints, or the power steering pump losing efficiency over time. Workshops typically fix this by replacing worn parts and inspecting the hydraulic system so the steering feels smooth again. Finally, when the Sierra is carrying a load or towing, brake issues can become noticeable, such as vibrations or shuddering when stopping. Some users say, "The brakes start to vibrate even with light use," which usually happens due to warped rotors or brake pads hardened from heat. The solution is to replace rotors and pads and, if the truck is used for heavy-duty work, keep the brakes in top condition to prevent the vibrations from returning.